Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I didn't think it was necessary to film a long intro for this video, but as you can tell by the title of this video, I am making some candy cane slime. And if I'm talking a little weird, it's because I got my braces tightened yesterday and now I have to wear rubber bands, so if I have like a lisp, that's why. I'm just gonna hop right into the video. So the first recipe that we're going to be trying out is candy cane oobleck. I mean, I know it's not technically slime, it's kind of like slime. First, I'm going to pour this cornstarch into this bowl. Oh my gosh, I'm literally getting it everywhere. Cornstarch is the messiest ingredient for slime. RT if you agree. Wait, this isn't Twitter. Okay, so I kind of want to make a lot because I saw this recipe on Pinterest and they said to spread it on a big pan. Also guys, I'm having a giveaway at the moment, so go check that out as well. I feel like this is a lot. Okay, so once you think you have enough cornstarch, just add some water. Do you guys like how I have this little like kitty cup? This is from when I was like a toddler and I'm 18 now, so let's just add some. It's gonna be such a weird consistency, but I really do like this. Like, see, oh my gosh, it's like hard to mix together. Okay, this is literally the weirdest thing ever. Like, see, like I can't mix it. Okay, I definitely need more though because there's so much cornstarch. Let me know in the comments if you guys have made oobleck before because I think it's so cool and I'm a fan. Oh, it's like super messy though. I hope that's enough. I low-key feel like I need a little bit more water. That's probably good. I'm gonna pour like some of this out. Now it's a ball of slime. Oh wait, I don't think I put enough water. Okay, I shouldn't have taken that water out. Okay, wow. This slime is already a fail. Slime number 1. So I actually made it correctly this time. I added less water and I actually followed the instructions on Pinterest. Definitely do that. I added a cup of cornstarch and then I just kept adding water. I don't know how much I added, sorry. Okay, so as you can tell, hold on. So it is a ball in my hand and then it turns into a liquid. Isn't that amazing? Oh my gosh. I'm shook, honestly. And it turns liquidy. Oh my gosh. I know it looks like a big mess. It is, but it's super cool. All right, once you have the oobleck made, you are just going to pour it onto the pan. Wow, that's really satisfying. All right, so we're just gonna use this. I know it's not filling up the entire pan, but that's all right. I would recommend doubling the recipe, so maybe using 2 cups of cornstarch. So on Pinterest, they used these little peppermint candies. Oh, wow. Okay. So I'm going to be using those in a second, but I thought it'd be cool to get some candy canes because this is a candy cane slime video, and I'm just going to break little pieces and see if it colors the slime the same way that the peppermint candies are supposed to. And I wish I had tweezers so that I could pick this up and like color the slime more. Does anyone else love the smell of this? Oh, guys, it's working. See, the red is coming off. So I'm just gonna leave those in there, and now I'm going to take these peppermint candies and do the same thing. Wow, this smells so good, but don't eat it. Even though I am using candy canes right now, do not eat these because the slime is not edible. Cornstarch is not meant to be eaten raw, so do not eat the slimes. I feel like I should add more. I'm just gonna kind of move them around again, the ones that have been sitting for a while. So I know this candy cane slime isn't perfect, but it definitely colored the slime. I know it doesn't look exactly like candy cane, but I think it looks really cool. Let's just kind of try to play with this slime. Whoa, so cool. That is so cool. Let's move on to the next slime. Okay guys, so for the next slime we are going to be making candy cane fluffy slime. So we're going to start with some Elmer's glue. I'm just going to pour some into a bowl. And now I'm going to add some shaving cream. Now I'm just mixing it together. Now it is time to activate the slime. So I like to use contact lens solution and baking soda. Here's the baking soda. So first I'm just going to add a little bit of baking soda. Okay, so I just added some. Hopefully that's enough. I'm just going to kind of mix it. Now I'm going to add the contact lens solution. Like, as you guys can tell, it's already getting thicker. Basically, you're just going to keep adding more contact lens solution until the slime is no longer sticky. Okay guys, this slime is definitely ready now. It's still a little bit sticky, but it is pretty good. It is so fluffy. I love it so much. I cannot believe how soft it is. This is like some of the best slime I've ever made. I really like it, but I'm leaving it a little bit sticky because when we swirl it with the red slime, I don't want it to be like too stiff. So I want it to like swirl nicely together. So now onto the red slime. So for the red slime, I'm just going to add 1 bottle of clear Elmer's glue into a bowl. And I know this won't be perfectly clear slime. I mean, I'm going to add shaving cream as well to make it fluffy like the other slime that we just made. It will probably clear up after a few days. And now we are going to add some red paint. So I just have this Crayola washable kids paint. I got it from Target. And we will have to add more once we add the shaving cream because it'll turn it like a pink color. Now we're just going to mix this together. Whoa, this looks so cool. Now we're going to make it fluffy like the last slime, so I'm adding some shaving cream. Now I'm just mixing it together. Wow, this is so satisfying. This reminds me of peppermint. So before we activate the slime, we are going to add some more red paint. Now it is time to activate the slime, so I'm going to add some baking soda. Just mix that together. And now I'm going to add the contact lens solution. Definitely ready now. Okay, once both slimes are ready, it is time to swirl them. So I just put them next to each other. So we want to make this look like a candy cane. Wow, I feel like I made a lot of slime. We don't want to mix it too much because then it'll just turn pink, but there we go. I think it looks so cool. I'm going to try to make a slime swirl. Wow. Okay, I'm not the best at this, but that is so cool. Looks like marble. The more I play with this, it's just going to turn pink, but I think this looks so amazing. Okay, wow, sorry. It's super fluffy. I absolutely love this slime. Obviously, if you don't want it to turn like this pinkish red color, just don't play with it as much as I did. See, because now it's just like red, but it is super cool. Now on to the next slime. So the last slime recipe, it's actually Play-Doh, but I am going to be testing a recipe from Hello Moffy on YouTube. So I'm going to be making peppermint Play-Doh. And I just realized this is not big enough, so I'll be right back. I'm going to be pouring 3 cups of flour into the bowl. And next I'm supposed to add 1 cup of salt. So I have my 1 cup of water and I'm just going to pour that in. I need to stand up for this. I feel like it's starting to work. I might have to add more water. So I added more water off camera because I forgot to hit record, and it's definitely coming together more. So I'm just going to keep mixing this together. Guys, look, I literally think it worked. That is Play-Doh. Like, yeah, it's a little bit crumbly. If you want to add more water, you definitely could, but I don't want to add too much. So before I color this, I'm going to add some peppermint essential oil. So here I have the peppermint essential oil. I'm not sure how much to add. I'm not sure where I got this. I think I got this peppermint essential oil at Michael's, but I know you can get it on Amazon as well. And I'll just mix it together. Wow, it smells really good. So now I'm going to split the Play-Doh in half and color 1 piece of this red. So I have some red paint right here. I'm running out of this one, so I'm just going to use this apple barrel one. It's kind of hard to color this since it's such a thick consistency. You could definitely wear gloves for this if you want. Okay, so I am done coloring the Play-Doh. See, it kind of crumbles, but I mean, that looks pretty cool. Maybe we can like swirl it. I don't know, I think that looks pretty cool. You can like mix it together. This definitely worked. I absolutely love this Play-Doh. It's super soft. So obviously it's not slime, but it's more of like a dough. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe down below if you are new. Be sure to go enter my huge holiday giveaway. I'll have it linked